Alright, I gotta try and get this thing clean. It's kind of nasty. I'm not using anything. Just a baby wipe, a cotton baby wipe. Boy, pretty nasty. I think this was a smoker. It's really important not to use anything special on these. You could end up taking the writing off of it. I've done it before. Look at that. That's nasty. Yeah. Yeah, I used to smoke every day, you know, more than a pack a day. Wonder, you know, you see your stereo look like this. What do you think your lungs look like? This can't be good. Anyway, I like this thing, but it's not enough power, man. I need a little more power. But I see how much they're going for on eBay. It's pretty ridiculous, so you might find one for like $200, maybe, but I don't know if this is supposed to be just one dot here and one dot there. I'm gonna have to look that up. But what I don't like about the Marantz is they're not solid. And I've got other radios that are worth less money. The Pioneer, the Radio Shack STA90. I'm just trying to get all this stuff out there. It's cleaning up, but man, it's some nasty crap. So I'm gonna take this and go just rinse it out and get like some damp warm water. Alright, well, I'm trying to get it cleaned in here, but it's kind of like, I need like a toothbrush, something. I don't want to remove the knobs. It's pretty nasty. There's still a little bit of stuff. Ooh, look at that. That is crooked. Interesting. I wonder if I... it's definitely crooked. Very carefully, I take that, get it spread a little bit, because I think that's making it sit on there funny. Alright, well, you can't get them perfect, but it's better than it was. It's bent. I don't know. This was bent too, originally. And that one looks a little bent also. Alright, we'll just leave it like it is. Because this isn't going to get sold, so I don't really have to worry about it. I mean, I might sell it, but probably unlikely. Oh yeah, looking better for sure.